Hello guys and welcome back. Today we'll be doing palindrome number, which is an easy LeetCode question. It says given an integer x, return true if x is a palindrome. And then if you hover over the word palindrome, you are given the definition, which says a palindrome is an integer is a palindrome when it treats the same forwards and backwards. For example, 121 is a palindrome while 123 is not. So you're given examples here. Example 1 is 121 and the output is true because 121 reads 121 from left to right and from right to left. Example 2 is negative 121 and the output is false because of the negative sign basically. Then x is equal to 10, that's also false. So yeah, the solution that we're going to do today also have some constraints. It says so basically x is going to be within the limits of an integer number. This is like the minimum integer dot min value, and this is integer dot max value. And then this is a follow-up that says can you solve it without converting an integer to a string. So for this part I'll leave that to you. In this solution we'll actually convert it to a string because that's the easiest way to go. So what we're just going to do is imagine you are given a number, right? And that is like, let's say you have that 121. We're just going to convert this into a string. Then that will become 121 is a string. And then we'll just start iterating. We initialize the pointer for the left and the pointer for the right, and then we'll call maybe this one, we'll call it left. Sorry for the writing, this will be left, and then we'll call this one right. And then what we're just going to do is we'll compare the string that is on left and the string that is on, like the character that is on left and the character on right, and then if they are the same we keep on coming in backwards. The left is going this direction and then right is also going this direction, and we keep on comparing. Once we encounter that they are not the same, then we just return false. So let's code up that solution. So the first thing is you want to do the base case, right? Every negative number that you're gonna get in this question is not going to be a palindrome, simply because the negative sign, when it goes on the other end, then it won't match the number that comes that becomes the first after flipping. So we'll just say if x is less than 0, that's not a palindrome, to not waste our time. So we just return false. And then also if the number is less than 10, then it's definitely a palindrome because it's only one number. So if x is less than 10, return true. So this if statement here is going to actually deal with cases that are more than 0 or equal to 0. All those numbers are going to be palindromes. Then after that we can proceed with converting the number to a string. So we just say string num as string is equal to string dot value of x. And then we'll say let's we'll initialize the two variables for iterating. So we say left is equal to 0 and right is equal to this number is string dot length minus 1, and then while left is less than or equal to right, if the character char at left, if it's not equal to the character that is on right, we just want to return false, that this is not a palindrome. So we'll have then to increment the left and decrement the right. So we'll just do it using shorthand notation like this. Otherwise, if we pass this loop and everything is good, just return true. Now let's test if we made any mistake or if it passes the base cases. So you can see it does, and then we can submit and see if it passes all the cases. And as you can see, it passes and it beats 32.38%. So as you can see, this is not like the fastest solution. This is the easiest solution, as always. So for those who have a better solution, or you have questions, or who want to discuss, please just type in the comments and I'll get to you. But besides that, see you in the next video, and happy coding.